Okay, this was supposed to be a simple restock, but I also ended up buying a bunch of new makeup. And now I have mixed feelings about this haul. Come, let me show you what all things I have got. From Tira, I restocked on my Bioderma Micellar water. This combo was on great discount. I added some additional coupon and got this under rupees 1100. Now this is the only micellar water I have been using for years and I can't stop myself from getting these. From Amazon, I restocked on my favorite Conscious Chemist Sun Drinks sunscreen. I got pack of 2 and this has SPF 50 with PA 4 times plus. It is a gel hybrid, does not have any white cast, and also it has ceramides, milk thistle, and it is absolutely a non-greasy formula. From Amazon, I also picked up this Maybelline Dewy Glow BB cream. This is in the shade 50 and it has SPF 50. It does not have any kind of white cast, gives you a very beautiful dewy finish, and the shade oxidizes a lot. So even though it looks lighter initially, it matches to my skin tone perfectly after oxidation. I already have a video on this. I will mention the link in the description box. Next, from Myntra, I restocked on my favorite beauty of Joseon Deep Glow Serum. This is the one I'm currently using. You can see I have almost finished this and this is my go-to serum, you guys. After using this for couple of days, months, I noticed my dark spots, pigmentation is fading ever so slightly. So I do trust this product. Next, I got this Hints True Dimension Radiance Balm in the shade Clear. I picked up this from Tira because this was on great offer. That's how the inner packaging looks like and there is no color whatsoever. It is absolutely a clear balm. There is no shimmer particles, you guys. So the best way to use these kind of product is take on the back of your hand, warm it up a little bit, and then using your finger you can just apply on the highest points of your face. This is what I have it on my cheekbones. I absolutely love that it is not sticky at all and you get that beautiful radiance, that juicy glass-like glow kind of shine. Next, I got this Shiseido Synchro Skin Radiant Lifting Foundation in the shade 340 Oak. That's how the inner packaging looks like. I already have posted my first impression on this. Now the shade is totally off on my skin tone, you guys, and I'm finding ways to make it work. Today also I tried to use it on my skin. It looks very gray in person. I don't know what is going to make this product work because I was eyeing this for the longest time. This was my dream foundation. After watching couple of reviews, after seeing the hype around, I made my mind to get it, but I think I regret buying this. Next, I restocked on my hair color. This is from Streaks, their gel hair color in the shade 3 dark brown. Now this was under rupees 180 on Amazon, so I restocked 2 of them and this is one of my favorite to cover my gray hair. This has hyaluronic acid, kiwi fruit extract, silicone actives. It does not contain any kind of ammonia and it lasts up to 20 washes. Yes, I can say that it lasts up to 20 to 25 washes because I have tried, tested, and after that I restocked on this. So definitely it is worth buying. Next haul is from Nykaa and I picked up couple of products. The first one is this Mars Brow Better Eyebrow Pencil in dark brown. After using couple of eyebrow pencil, I have just stuck to this because this is affordable and it does a brilliant job. Next, I restocked on my Swiss Beauty Bold Matte Lip Liner and this is in the shade Cherry Brown. This is the one I'm currently using and you can see I have almost finished. That's how the shade looks like. This is a universal shade that is going to suit every skin tone and it is going to pair with every lip. It is my go-to. It's affordable, it's matte, it's creamy, it's pigmented. Yeah, it works for me. Nykaa finally launched this mascara. This is L'Oreal Paris Telescopic Extensionist Waterproof Mascara, which I just reviewed on my channel. It retails for 1079 and you get 11 ml of quantity. I know it's pricey, but if you're looking out for this mascara, you can definitely give it a try. That's how the wand looks like and it's quite flexible, you can see, but it's waterproof. For someone who doesn't love waterproof mascara, I think you can stay away from this because it's very difficult to take off. You will need a good oil-based makeup remover. This will be only for my longer days when I'm attending any special occasion and I want my mascara to be long-lasting, smudge-proof and everything. I will wear this. Next, I got a new shade of e.l.f. Soft Glam Satin Foundation and this is in the shade 32 Medium Neutral. I had already tried the shade 40 Tan Warm, which looks extremely golden yellow on my neutral skin tone and I wanted something very muted, so I think this is going to work for me. A review is coming up very soon. With my Nykaa order, I got this sample as a freebie, and this is from Estee Lauder, their Advanced Night Repair Serum. I have heard a lot of good things about it, so I think it is a good time to give it a shot. If I like, I think I'll go with a full size. I know it's pricey, but let's see. And lastly, I had to restock on my favorite makeup fixer from Macro. I'm talking about the Tilted Marks Fit makeup fixer. Since the time it launched in India, I have been using it continuously. I don't remember how many bottles of this I have finished. After using this, I have given my Urban Decay some rest, because this does an excellent job to keep my makeup in place, to make my makeup long lasting. It does not melt down my makeup, and also it blurs my makeup and gives me that glass like glow. Absolutely love this makeup fixer, which I use as the last step of my makeup. So that was all about today's haul. Let me know which product is favorite out of this lot.